Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to register a Shopee seller account. First of all, you have to go to Google, search for Shopee seller, right? And you will get this first link here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to log in into your account. So to log in your account, you have to just do one thing. You can do by making an account, or you can also do it by using a Google account. But I will advise you to use a normal account, right? And once you have made your account, once you have logged in into this, you have to click on start registration. Here it will ask your name. So for example, I will just write here name, that is Cool Books. Depending upon your requirement, this is the password number, IC number. You can just write here because they are looking just for individual. If you are register business, you can just enter the company name, and also you can register the business registration number. Once you have entered everything, this is the shop information. Under the shop information, it should be unique. So you can just write here anything, right? For example, it's 0007. I can just add my address. This is my email address. So here I have to verify my email address. To do that, I have to just open my Gmail. As you can see here, it is asking me to verify my email address. I will just click on verify email and subscribe to newsletter. So I have to just wait for a few seconds. I will allow this, right? And we are into here. So now when I just reload this, I will able to already logged in into this. Now we have to just add our phone number. So I can just add here my phone number, and then we have to verify our phone number here too. Then we have to add our shipping channel. In the shipping channel, they will ask you that how you want to ship your products, whether it's a cash on delivery or it will be by this transporter and everything. In the submit, this is you have to just verify it once again all the details, and you can submit it, and after verification you will get a mail in your email address, and then you can just verify each and everything and your Shopee seller account is made. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.